Welcome back students. In the previous lecture we have discussed about the differentiation of some basic functions. Today we will discuss the differentiation in a more complicated manner. Okay. Last time we have discussed that the differentiation of sine of x is equals to cos of x, and differentiation of cos of x is equals to minus sine of x. In the same manner, differentiation of tangent x is equals to secant square x. Differentiation of secant x is equals to secant x tangent x. Differentiation of cot of x is equals to minus cosecant square x, and differentiation of cosecant x is equals to minus cosecant x cot of x. Okay, let's take some examples on the basis of these differentiations. Suppose we have to find out the differentiation of a polynomial given dy dx of x square plus x cot of x. Then it will be equals to, take the differentiation of separate terms one by one. Dy dx of x square plus dy dx of x cot of x. Differentiation of x square, power comes forward 2x and the power is reduced by 1. 2 minus 1 is equals to 1 plus dy dx of x cot of x. Here we apply the UV rule, product rule, that is, in place of u we have x and in place of v we have cot of x. So the formula for the differentiation of the multiplication of two functions will be differentiation of first function dy dx of x, second function as it is, plus first function as it is, differentiation of second function. Okay, then the differentiation will be equals to 2x. Differentiation of x, power comes forward 1 and x raised to power 1 minus 1 cot of x plus x as it is. Differentiation of cot of x will be equals to minus cosecant square x. So minus cosecant square x. Okay, it will be equals to 2x plus x raised to power 0. Something power 0 will always equals to 1. So we have here 1 multiplied by cot of x. It will again equals to cot of x plus negative sign comes outside and it will be multiplied by positive sign. We have negative sign x cosecant square x. So this is the differentiation of x square plus x cot of x. Okay, as we have discussed the product rule of two functions, in the same chain we have the differentiation of two functions when they were divided by each other. Suppose we have two functions and they were given in the division algorithm. Okay, again consider the two functions u and v. Suppose one is an algebraic function and second one is trigonometric function. Then the differentiation of u by v d by dx is equals to square of denominator v square, and here the differentiation of u d by dx of u v as it is minus u as it is d by dx of v. Okay, this is the formula for the differentiation when the functions are given in the division algorithm. Let's take some examples on the basis of this formula. Suppose we have to find out the differentiation of a term sin x by x. Sin x by x. Here in place of u we have sin and in place of v we have x. So it will be equals to denominator, square of the denominator means v square. V square means square of x, and at the upper side we have differentiation of u, means the differentiation of sin x, d by dx of sin x, v as it is, x as it is, minus sin u as it is, means sin x as it is, and the differentiation of x, and it will be equals to x square, differentiation of sin x is equals to cos of x into x as it is, minus sin of x, and the differentiation of x is again equals to 1. So our differentiation is x cos of x minus sin x divided by x square. So the differentiation of sin x by x is equals to x cos x minus sin x divided by x square. Okay. In the same chain we have the differentiation of a logarithmic function and exponential function. But first we have to discuss about the logarithmic functions, what are logarithmic function and exponential functions. Okay. Logarithmic functions. In physics or in mathematics, we will discuss some terms containing log of x, log of y, log of z. So first we will understand that what the log means. Okay. Suppose we have a term 2 cross 2 cross 2 cross 2. And if we multiply these terms, we have 2 cross 2 4, 4 2s are 8, and 8 2s are 16. It will be equals to 16, and we can write it as 2 raised to power 4. Okay. If we have to represent this term in the form of logarithmic function, then it will be equals to log, here the base is 2, log base 2 16, means what power of 2 is required to have a product of 16. Okay, so it will be equals to 4, means if we multiply 2 4 times, then we have 16. Okay, similarly it can be written as 16 is equals to 4 cross 4. If we have to represent it in the form of log base 4, then it will be equals to log base 4 16 will be equals to 2. It means if we multiply 2 by if we multiply 4 2 times, then we have 16. So 4 raised to power 2 is equals to 16. It represents the logarithmic algorithm, and we have two type of logarithms here, log base 10 and natural log. Natural log is represented by ln, and log base 10 is simply represented by log, or simply log base 10. Here 10 is written. It represents that log is taken in the form of base 10. Okay, like that we have exponential functions. Exponential functions are anti-logarithmic functions, like they absorb, if we apply logarithmic function on the exponential function, or apply exponential on the logarithmic function, then log and exponential will cancel out each other. Okay, let's take the differentiation of logarithmic function. Suppose we have given log of ax plus b, and we have to find the differentiation of log of ax plus b. It will be equals to 1 by ax plus b, and again we have to differentiate ax plus b, d by dx of ax plus b. Here a and b are constants. Okay, a and b are constants. Then if we differentiate ax plus b, it will be remaining with ax plus b into a can be taken out, and the differentiation of x will be equals to 1, and the differentiation of b is a constant quantity, it will be equals to 0. So the differentiation of log of ax plus b is equals to a divided by ax plus b. Okay, so the differentiation of log of ax plus b is equals to a divided by ax plus b. Let's take an example on this formula. If we have to find out the differentiation of log of 5x plus 4, log of 5x plus 4, it will be equals to 5 by 5x plus 4, because in place of a we have 5 and in place of b we have 4. So log of 5x plus 4 will be equals to 5 divided by 5x plus 4. Okay, take another example. Suppose we have d by dx of log of x square plus 5x plus 2. If the question is given in this form, then what we will do first, as in the above case we have discussed, first we will solve the logarithmic function. So for this one, differentiation of log of, let us consider it as a function z. So we can write it as d by dx of log of z, and it will be equal to 1 by z and dz by dx. Differentiation of z with respect to x. Now we will put the value of z here. We have 1 by, in place of z, x square plus 5x plus 2, and d by dx of, in place of z we have again x square plus 5x plus 2. Differentiate the terms one by one. We have 1 by x square plus 5x plus 2 multiply by differentiation of x square will be 2x plus differentiation of 5x will be 5, because the differentiation of x is 1 and differentiation of a constant quantity is always 0. So we remain with the terms 2x plus 5 divided by x square plus 5x plus 2. Okay, this is the differentiation of log of x square plus 5x plus 2 is equals to 2x plus 5 divided by x square plus 5x plus 2. Okay, this is the differentiation of a logarithmic function. In the same manner, if we are having an exponential function, then let's see how its differentiation varies. Exponential functions are represented by e raised to power. Suppose we have given e raised to power ax plus b. Here e represents the exponential function d by dx. Suppose we have to find out the differentiation of exponential at ax plus b. Sometimes this term is represented in this form, d by dx of exponential of ax plus b. These two quantities are same. Okay, exponential of ax plus b remains same, exponential ax plus b, but we have to differentiate the power again, d by dx of ax plus b, and we know that here a and b are constants, so the differentiation of ax plus b is equals to a, it will be equals to a exponential ax plus b. Okay, so the differentiation of exponential ax plus b is equals to a into exponential ax plus b. Okay, let's take an example on the same. Differentiation of exponential 5x plus 2, it will be equals to, in place of 5, in place of a we have 5, so it will be equals to 5 exponential 5x plus 2. Okay, these are the differentiations which we needed in our physics numericals. Okay, now take an example which contains all the terms: algebraic, trigonometric, division, multiplication, logarithmic and exponential terms. Suppose we have to find out the differentiation of d by dx of x cube plus log of x into sin x plus exponential x by x square. We have to find out the differentiation of this term. Then we will solve it one by one. First, apply the differentiation on the each term. dy dx of x cube plus dy dx of log of x into sin of x plus dy dx of exponential x by x square. Okay. Differentiation of x cube, power comes forward 3 and power is reduced by 1. 3 minus 2 it will be 3 minus 1 it will be equals to 2. 3x square plus dy dx of log of x and sin of x. Here is the multiplication of two functions. Take log as u and sin of x as v. Then differentiation of log of x, dy dx of log of x into sin x as it is plus log of x as it is, differentiation of sin of x plus. Now we will differentiate this term. Here is the differentiation of two functions again, which were divided by each other. So we apply the formula square of the denominator term. Here in place of denominator we have x square. So the square of x square will be x raised to power 4. Now dy dx of exponential x into x square as it is minus exponential x as it is dy dx of x square. Let's solve the terms one by one. 3x square as it is plus dy dx of log of x. Log of x, dy dx of log of x will be equals to 1 by x, and differentiation of x again will be equals to 1. So log of x gives the differentiation of 1 by x, and sin of x as it is plus log of x as it is, and the differentiation of sin of x is cos of x plus x raised to power 4 as it is. Differentiation of exponential x is exponential x dot x square again as it is minus exponential x as it is, and the differentiation of x square will be 2x. Okay, let's rearrange the terms. 3x square plus sin of x by x plus log of x into cos of x plus exponential x can be taken common. So exponential x by x raised to power 4 into x square minus 2x. Okay students, this is all about the differentiation we need in our physics numericals. Thank you. Have a nice day.